have a flat iron review for you all from HSI Professional Flat Irons. So let's get started. Just regular UPS package. And I already opened it because I was just so excited to see it. So I guess you can say this is an unboxing review. So the flat iron came with this. I already opened it. It is the HSI Professional Argan Oil Hairspray Smoothing Anti-Freeze Heat Protectant for natural hair and extensions as well. This is what the flat irons came in. It's really nice and elegant and classy. I like the boxing. This is the back. So yes, let's open it. Okay. It's really cute. I think everything's cute, but this is like really cute. I really like it. This is the packaging. And so, let's see. You take it out this way. Oh, I like this. And this comes out of the little sliding part. These are the flat irons itself. It says HSI on the little part right here. You take this off. And it has this between it. I like these. It's heavy too. It's not light. It's really heavy. And you know, basic stuff. It doesn't have the digital screen. It just has the little turn where you can turn up your heat and an on and off button on the inside. So let's put this back on with an HSI glove. Let's put that on so you won't burn yourself. My hands are really short and fat, so my fingers don't go all the way to the bottom. It's a childhood problem I had to go with. And it comes in this little pretty silk bag. It says HSI as well. I was going to say HIS. It's HSI. We can go ahead and put the flat iron in there because the other method didn't work. So there we go. The flat irons are in here. It's really cute. It's silky. And the glove. With this is what it all came with. You know, different stuff. It came with this. It says scratch and save, and on my next purchase that anything that I get from them I can save 30%. The next thing is a warranty certificate. I have a warranty for 1 year. That's nice to have. The product, it comes with a product guide. And so inside, let's see. It gives you their mission statement and stuff like that. Tells me more about the flat iron. They have wand curls that they sell. They sell a lot of things. Blow dryer. And hair curl tools and other things as well. So that is what comes in the product guide. Let me see. There you go. And it's not the last thing. This is the important safety instructions. The flat iron is actually called a glider. It's a 1-inch ceramic flat iron. And these are safety instructions. Just stuff like that. What to do and what not to do. And the last thing is the HSI Professional Ambassador Program by invitation only. So if you buy one of their products, you know, you might can become an ambassador. You can contact them and things of that nature and stuff like that. This is my unboxing video for HSI Professional Flat Irons, and I'm actually going to be doing a review on them next, and I will have that video coming up soon. So I will leave all of their information in the description below. If you all like it and would like to give it a try, that would be amazing. Tell them that Mocha Honey sent you. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share to everyone you know.